So this set of videos is going to be about making a railing, a log railing that we had in mind for a number of years. You can see it in the background here. My name's David, and my wife and I love everything cabin oriented. We have lived in Colorado for years and years. Love the mountains, love the high country feel, and certainly love the cabin furniture and log railings and log furniture, the whole bit. So in the following series of videos, I'll just be taking you through quickly how I made the railing in the background. So hope you enjoy it, and if you have questions or comments, feel free to leave them below the videos. Thanks very much. Okay, this is going to be the new railing, just getting it really kind of started. The metal part, obviously, is the bears, and it's a heavy piece of steel. We ordered this from a company, I think, down in the southern part of the country who cuts these. And then the wood, obviously, has been sanded and cut. There's going to be a upright on the left side, and then on the right side there is going to be a cross piece with another metal piece going across on that second piece. But right now what I'm getting ready to do, I've got it marked, and we're going to be drilling the holes for the supports for the metal part of the railing and the banister. So I've got those holes drilled. You can see I've got the upright supports that will be going into these holes already cut with their tenons, and then we'll be going forward from there. So now we're going to get ready and drill the holes for the support pieces. In the garage, getting ready to drill with the tenon cutter or the hole saw. So it's, I think, 1.5 inches is the size that we're going to be drilling into the pieces of wood here. So now the trick is to see, I have to go 1.5 inches down for the upright supports. So I have a little bit more to go, but so far that's what it's going to look like. And that is about right for the tenon. This will be rotated, obviously, to fit appropriately, but that's basically the right depth. So at this point, I will be doing that on the remainder of the log to get all the holes drilled. So again, working my way down the log, drilling the tenon holes. So the first one was cut, and I've just cut the second one. And again, you can see how that will seat into the actual hole. Now I just have 1, 2, 3, 4 more holes to go. So this is now the finished log with all the tenon holes drilled out. It didn't take too long, but this is fairly soft pine. So we're basically ready to move on to the next step. So we've sanded the tenons down to fit into the holes that we just drilled, and that's how they're going to look. And then what will happen is we'll be cutting a cross piece actually across each of these individual pieces, going across, that the metal frame will then drop into, and this will become the support. But that's where we are at this stage with the tenons cut into the wood. On the ends, there's going to actually be another log that will be coming up to fill the gap, and that will be going into that hole on that end and the other hole on the other end.